Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're on the balcony at the Greyhouse River Oaks in Houston, Texas. So we just saw inside this one bedroom, really pretty. But now let's go look outside here. And I want to first of all show off the balcony. The balcony itself is great. It's a nice size. You could put a table out here and chairs easily. And I like this because it feels, I like this faux wood. It's a really cool feel. But then also, hey man, this is part of being in the River Oaks, the Greyhouse at River Oaks, because you're in the River Oaks Shopping Center. I mean, we're literally over shops and restaurants. Right over there is Toulouse. So Toulouse is a great French place. There's Hop Dottie's just down a little bit from Toulouse. So I mean, you could just go downstairs, walk to that. You've got some great shops to walk to. You've also got, of course, boutique restaurants or boutique shops. And it's this row you've got here, and you really have quite a bit to walk to. You have a theaters also over there, the iPic theaters. So this is a really cool, very safe area to be in. So you've got your entertainment all built in walking distance here at the Greyhouse. Okay, let's go ahead and walk inside and see the bedroom. We'll do that on the next video. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Use the number below and just send me a quick text and just say, hi Grant, I like what I'm seeing. Just reach out to me when you can and I will do that. Okay, let's go now to the bedroom and the bathroom.